It was a positive start to the trading week for the Indian equity markets, with the benchmark index seeing late action that took it to the high point of the day. You had the Nifty 50, in fact, trade in a range of over 150 points in trade today, and we ended with gains of about 0.5%. Quite a bit of action from the heavyweights. So you saw the likes of Reliance Industries as well as TCS and Infosys, the entire IT pack as a whole, lending quite a bit of support to the benchmark. The broader markets outperformed. You saw both the mid-cap as well as the small-cap index gain over 1% in trade. And this is likely on the back of risk-on sentiment across all of the global markets. This is as China seems to be walking the talk towards supporting its economy. A stimulus is widely expected to play out in that economy as the government looks to support growth. And that has implications for several sectors across the globe, not least of which are the commodities players and the Indian metal pack. As a result of that news, probably gained quite a bit of ground in trade today. So if you look at the sectoral performers, the metal index outperformed, gaining 1.7%, but you also had the IT index, it was up about 1.5%. You had banks as a pack that gained about 0.4%. The two underperformers were the pharma index, or rather the healthcare index, as well as the FMCG index, both losing ground in trade today. Among the key movers on the Nifty 50 then, you had NTPC that gained about 4%, ONGC, Power Grid Corporation, Adani Ports and Hindalco were the big gainers. Losers, you had Apollo Hospitals, which was the worst performer, followed by Britannia, HDFC Life, Divi's Laboratories, as well as Bajaj Finance. Kotak Mahindra also lost ground, and this is on the back of likely a Bloomberg report that spoke about the RBI allegedly, or rather reportedly, nudging the bank towards finding a successor outside of the bank right now to Uday Kotak. The bank itself has denied that report and said that no such communication has been received from the RBI. NTPC, I mentioned at the start, hit an all-time high in trade. In fact, on the back of results, net profit gained about 23% or thereabouts in the first quarter. Nazara Technologies, we spoke with the management, and in fact, the PAT has grown 30% despite a decision to defer some of the business in its key vertical. And in fact, Q2 onwards is going to be significantly better, is what the management has said. All told, positive start to the week. Let's see how things pan out over the course of the week.